Welcome back to the channel, guys. Now, if you notice here, I actually have the Serpentine Belt on. So the belt came from Procharger, the correct one. And I'm just going to show you, just for anyone doing this at home, this is the belt that they sent me. Right here, you can see the part number. And this is the belt that actually fit on it. Now, this one was still a tight fit, but I'd rather it be really tight than loose. It was still able to get over the pulley. So this one is 109 3/8 inches. I believe this one was around 108 inches. So just that one little inch really helped. You know, that's what she said. But anyways, yeah, so the head unit is officially installed. So we're going to get right into doing all the rest of the stuff. All right, so next it looks like we're going to be actually mounting up the intercooler, which is going to be super awesome. I'm really excited to see that on the front of this thing. So it says to unbolt the power steering cooler line, and then it looks like we're just going to mount the intercooler right up. Oh wow, it's gotta go really far over. I think we have to move the actual lines, like unbolt them over there. Yep, gonna have to do that. All right, so we're gonna have to move this completely because that end's gonna definitely hit. All right, so basically what I'm gonna be doing now, let's see if this has any juice. I'm gonna be undoing both of these lines right here and draining the power steering fluid out because we have to remove that front power steering cooler to even put the intercooler on. So, fun. Let's see if these lines will be nice. Alright guys, so after a little bit fighting with it, I finally got the intercooler on, and just be prepared. Bam! Look how sick that looks, dude. Oh my gosh. I cannot wait. I cannot wait to put the front bumper on and see what this thing looks like through it. So we have the head unit successfully installed, belt is on. Now we have the intercooler fully bolted up. I mean, this thing is like, it's in there. As you can see, it's not moving at all. Now, I am gonna have to figure out what to do with the actual power steering cooler lines right there, but you know, that's for another time. So now I guess I'm just gonna start on the actual piping from the head unit all the way to the intercooler on the driver's side. Holy crap, I'm not gonna lie, I have done a ton of work on this thing since the last time that I actually filmed. So let's see. We have the head unit right here. I actually got the piping that goes off the head unit down here to this little double 45-degree coupler. And then around here, we have another metal hose and then the actual coupler that goes into the intercooler. So, whew, I'm not gonna lie, that was a lot of trial and error on the fitment, and I still might change up a little bit, but that thing is solid, man. That thing is solid. It should not be going anywhere as long as we have no air leaks. We should be good. So, head unit, as we've already done before. Okay, so for the head unit, I had some clearance issues with my actual fan, which is right here. Oh, this little piece, which I attempted to grind away as some at, this little piece right here is coming in contact with this first little tube and a little bit of that bracket right there. So I'm gonna have to look up and see if there's any like low profile fans that I can get, like maybe a Mishimoto one, because I don't think that one's gonna work and have all this stuff perfectly aligned, you know, like how I want it basically. So I'll have to look up into that, probably get a new radiator fan, which is fine, you know, always can upgrade. So then coming down here, I actually had to grind away at the core support just a little bit for the charge piping to the actual intercooler. it wasn't really that big of a deal, and I'll probably actually wrap that up just so that that sharp edge is not going right into that coupler. No real problems with the intercooler. That slid right into place. Over here, we're still waiting on the mass airflow sensor, so I just have this kind of dangling and not really connected to anything. Up here is the rest of it to the throttle body, and this is really simple. I have all this loose still, just waiting on that mass airflow sensor, and then I can kind of get all that situated. And then after that, we still have to do all the coolant hoses. We got to do the surge valve, blow off valve, recirc valve, whatever you want to call it, and then the little air filter for the actual Procharger itself. Other than that, we're pretty much done. Anyways, guys, if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. The next one's basically, like I said, you're going to be doing the coolant rerouting. Have no idea how that's going to go, but probably some more modifications since I've had to modify every single step of this kit anyways. So coolant next time with the surge valve, and then the next video after that is going to be getting tuned. And holy crap, am I ready for this thing to be started? Because wow, I mean, today went a lot easier than the first day. Getting the head unit all situated, that was the biggest pain ever. But anyways, guys, if you liked the video, please drop a like and subscribe. Peace.